So tomorrow is your exam and you are still looking for strategy, right? So you are not studying but looking for strategies and thinking that if I watch one video then I will be able to score good marks. Well, at least because you are here, let me help you out with this. So today I am going to give you a very basic 8-hour plan so that you can not only score well, you can pass, you can not only pass, you can score well. Okay, so let me start without any delay. Let me show you what is the plan for today. So 2 hours you have to study only important theory. Starting now, start following this and you will be able to score really well. 2 hours study only important theory for your MCQ answers, question answers. You can practice MCQs as well. If you get time, you can just read the summary of NCERT textbook. Okay, all the chapters NCERT summary. Okay, important theory means NCERT summary. Okay, very important, do not ignore it, NCERT summary. Next 3 hours practice only PYQs and model papers. Okay, so practice some of the questions that is repeatedly coming in previous year papers, repeatedly coming in model question papers. Those questions are very important, you should not ignore them. Next 2 hours derivations plus graphs. Graphs are not too many are there from the chapter dual nature. There is some graphs that you need to study and practice the very important derivations. Okay, if you want more about derivations, I have done all derivations video, do check that out. Next is 1 hour formula plus concept revision. I have given you formula sheet. Go through the formula, especially the chapters where the numericals are important. I will show you the chapters as well. So you go through that and study the formula, and obviously concept revision is very important. Revise whatever you have studied. Close your eye, just think for a second and remember what you have studied. That will help you to do wonders in the exam. Now if you are going for the exam tomorrow, then what should be your strategy? Okay, exam hall strategy can make or break your exam, so it is very important. So you should follow the strategy that exactly I am telling you. First you write 2 and 3 markers. Okay, do not go for MCQs. First write 2 and 3 markers. That will boost your confidence that okay, I have secured 25 marks. Now what I should do? Now you should do your 5 marker derivation and MCQs. Okay, based on suppose you are writing MCQs first, that is okay, derivations first, that is also fine. But remember, first 2 pages after you write your names and all that, there is 1 page, and after that the next page, the blank first 2 page, you have to write your MCQs and fill in the blanks in that page only. Okay, so do follow that. In that first page, leave it blank and then start writing your 2 marker and 3 marker answers. Write points, not paragraphs. No one likes paragraphs, but if you write in points, that will be much more visible to the teacher and you can score extra marks. Okay, draw diagrams whenever possible. Very important for all type of questions, derivations, numericals. Okay, short answer type. If diagram is required, draw the diagram, do not skip it thinking that it is not required. Diagrams, if it is there, you have to draw the diagram. Next, when you are solving numerical questions, write the formula clearly and substitute the values in the formula. Okay, write the formula clearly. Here electric field due to a point charge is given by this formula. Okay, here E is given, here Q is given, R is given, like that. So write the formula, then mention the values given from the question and then substitute and solve it. Okay, you should get full 5 of 5, right? So this should be your strategy for your examination hall. Now those who are thinking that sir, you are not talking about us, who you are just want to pass in the exam, what should we do? I have not studied at all. I just came to your video just thinking that I will pass in the exam. So for them, my passing package, a 2-hour comprehensive video where all the important questions are discussed. Do check that out and practice PYQs. Okay, PYQs, if you get some time, practice PYQs and passing package. These two should be sufficient for you to pass the upcoming exam. Okay, now what else? So high scoring chapter, the chapters from where we should not skip: revision, electric charges and fields, electrostatic potential and capacitance, current, electricity, moving charges and magnetism, and ray optics and optical instrument. These chapters are must before going into the exam hall. So do practice questions from these chapters first. Okay, and the numerical chapters, from where I should practice numericals every time I get this question. So numericals you should practice from electric charges and fields. Okay, then electrostatic electrostatic potential and capacitance, then alternating current. These three should be your main chapters for numericals, okay? And ray optics and current electricity should be your backup. You can practice numericals from any one of the chapter. Now current electricity questions can be tricky if you have not practiced properly, because circuit diagram questions can really be tricky if you have not practiced it, okay? So this is the current strategy for you. To first of all, obviously you have to revise. And how to revise? Read the summary of the NCERT textbook. That will give you a clarity that whatever you have missed out. If you want to practice numericals from the top 3 chapters. Remaining 2, if you get time right now, you do not have that much time, so you can skip these 2 chapters, okay? Now what else? Obviously if you want to secure your future, obviously we are bringing you KCET KC30 online crash course. We also have launched our offline Lakshya KCET crash course, and if you register for Lakshya KCET crash course today, you will get a super 3,000 rupees off. And also ABHYAS test series is available at lowest ever possible price since its launch, that is 999 only. So if you want to register for ABHYAS test series, do it today itself, okay? So this is it. I will see you tomorrow just before exam. Till then, bye.